Yeah, how's that for a chart?
When Guzman y Gomez listed on the Australian share market last year, euphoria kicked in. The share price shot up by 95% in the space of a few months. The company has come a long way since its American co-founders started their first restaurant in Newtown in 2006. Apart from the occasional Taco Bell, Aussies hadn't had a taste of authentic Mexican food, and the concept quickly took off.
I think that GYG is being priced at a significant premium to what most would consider to be intrinsic value.
It now has 224 restaurants in Australia, 98 in the pipeline, and the lofty goal of reaching 1,000 within the next 2 decades. Investors crowded into last year's IPO, buoyed by Guzman's growth in Australia and its bid to break into the US market. Going public was meant to fuel that overseas expansion. Since then though, the share price has fallen to record lows. There's concern about the company's move to the US, which is already full of Mexican food options and fierce competition. Aussies have also taken to social media claiming the restaurant's quality and portion sizes have declined since the IPO.
I have a theory about Guzman y Gomez, and I know some of you are going to fight me on this, but ever since they got listed as a public company on the ASX, the quality and the service of their food has just plummeted.
And remember, this was a super hot IPO. I think its IPO price was $22. It went up to $45, and I think today it's trading around $25 again.
The chain's American restaurants are losing money, and Morningstar has predicted they won't generate meaningful contributions for the next 10 years. But an economist told us Guzman's sales are still growing, albeit slower than expected, and it's common for a share price to tumble after an exciting IPO. He described the company as a good operation and said it's too early to say if the US expansion was a mistake.
And I'm not the only one who says this, but what do you think? Am I onto something here?